Designing a big cartel website to your liking is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, log in to your big cartel admin dashboard. Go to the Customize Design or Theme section. Here, choose a theme that aligns with your brand. Big Cartel offers a range of themes and some of them may have customization options. Within the theme settings, you may have the option to customize colors. Select colors that match your brand or personal preferences. Then, upload your logo to reinforce your brand identity. Look for a section like header or logo in the theme customization settings. Some themes allow you to customize fonts. Adjust the font styles to match your preference. Upload your logo to reinforce your brand identity. Look for a section like header or logo in the theme customization settings. Some themes allow you to customize fonts. Adjust the font styles to match your preference. Next, look for options related to typography or fonts in the theme settings. After that, customize your homepage to highlight featured products or categories. Add images, banners, or promotional content to make the homepage visually appealing. Add high-quality product images. Write compelling product descriptions and adjust product page layouts if the theme allows. Organize your navigation menu to make it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. Add or remove menu items as needed. Connect your social media accounts to your Big Cartel store and look for options to display social media icons or feeds. Customize the footer with relevant information, links, and contact details. Some themes provide options to add custom text or links in the footer. Ensure that your design is mobile-friendly. Test your website on different devices to ensure a seamless user experience. If you have coding skills, Big Cartel allows you to add custom code in the Advanced or Custom Code section. This can be used for further customization. Always preview changes before publishing them to your live site to ensure everything looks as expected. Once you're satisfied with the design changes, save and publish them to make them live on your store.